Welcome back to Inqua News. Transport Minister Mauvin Godinho announced that AI-based cameras will be installed at 26 locations across Goa to detect traffic violations such as overspeeding and tinted glass. The move, approved at Road Safety Council meeting, aims to improve road safety and reduce accidents.
Safety issue, various issues were discussed as to how to improve the overall road safety and see that there are less accidents. Over the last data for last 2 years, with various action being taken against the black spots, against accident-prone areas by various line departments, it has resulted also in 17% decrease in number of accidents. Of recent, you have seen accidents have been taking place as with a lot of rent-a-car operating on the roads. We have decided to launch a drive and see that all of them have speed governors. All of them comply with the rules under Motor Vehicle Act, and whether the license terms under which rent-a-car vehicles were given licenses, whether they are adhering to that. We are going to be very strict. I have asked the department to take action. The second action that is to follow is against tinted glasses. As we are seeing more and more roads with tinted cars with tinted glasses on our roads, action and a drive is going to be launched on that as well, so that we have less accidents on the road and people drive responsibly. 26 location cameras are ready for 26 location. But what I have advised the department is we were supposed to launch these 26 AI-based cameras on 16th of this month. I have advised the department that we will launch it from 1st of July. Meanwhile, from 16 or from today onwards till the 1st of July, we should have a campaign educating the public. Suddenly the public should not feel, oh, cameras have come, we will be booked, we'll have so many fines to pay. So all this is being done in a systematic manner. I have also told them that we have to comply with Supreme Court guidelines which are there as far as traffic regulation is concerned, as far as removing those hindrances which allow smooth flow of traffic. Like, for example, roadside, whatever people have built illegally has to be removed. These are Supreme Court guidelines. Again, it has come to us. We have to file a compliance report. So we are going to write this particular thing to the respective chief officers, hold meetings, as well as meet people in the panchayats as well, so that people are aware that these have to be complied.
So what if that also happens on the road?
See, ultimately, whatever action we take, it is sometimes not sufficient unless the public themselves reform. We are taking action. We will continue taking action strictly. But at the same time, the public also have to cooperate and see that they don't put their own life at risk and put at risk other people's life. This they have to also ensure. So it has to be from both sides. But from our side, I think it is a known fact that after merely 2 cameras or 3 cameras are installed along Donapal Road from Goa Medical College near University and right up till Raj Bhavan, you see people are driving slowly and responsibly. There is to be so many cases of overspeeding, accidents that has almost become negligible now. I expect the same thing to happen in whole of Goa. But at the same time, I want to make people aware of it. फाल्यां अशें म्हणपा नाका सडनली इतले कॅमेरा गायले आमकां फायन येता कित्याक फायन्स वील कम डायरेक्टली होम घरा फायन येतले सो ते सिस्टमॅटिकली जावचें म्हूण तशें करपाक जाय. No, we will be announcing the location. It will be publicly announced. We have selected all the locations very carefully. The whole emphasis is to try and use technology for better management of traffic.